Minister Yumnam Kheimchan says the effort to achieve green Manipur will make progress if plastic bags could be replaced by more eco-friendly cloth bag. Excise Department destroys seized liquor worth more than rupees 23,26,000. Excise Department SP urges Manipur government to enhance the manpower of excise. Manipur adds 23 new confirmed cases of COVID-19. No COVID-19 fatality in the past 24 hours. And India adds 18,840 new COVID-19 cases, 16,104 recoveries and 43 deaths in last 24 hours. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your masks properly and maintain a safe distance. And I'm PREMI THANGJAM, bringing you the news in details. Minister of Mahut Yumnam Kheimchan says the effort to achieve green Manipur will make progress if plastic bags could be replaced by more eco-friendly cloth bags. The minister said this on the sideline of flagging off program of REC 650 Club Manipur riders from Kangla Western Gate today. Speaking further, Yumnam Kheimchan highlighted that some women belonging to self-help groups have started making cloth bags from unused clothes which can be used as replacement for plastic bags. He also appealed to the people to start adopting more eco-friendly lifestyle. Upon reaching Churachandpur, the riders carried out a tree plantation drive in Churachandpur, followed by a charity musical concert to provide assistance to flood-affected neighboring Assam.
Manipur da sarkar na plastic thinge harasu sizinabagi habit ama leirisi sizinadaba yadabadu sizinabirasu mafam chana langthokpiu Imphal manung gi haijabatai major drain singsi loina phunbagi maramsi plastic bottle me asu phajaba lon da hairagana dustbin leitabagi langthu haigadra phajadaba lon da hairagana dustbin ga drain ga ani khenabasi praja singna khangda dumai tawasi masi tawiranu handakta paina thengnajabada self help group isan ise singsina yum da leiba phiron mayam sizinaba yadaba mayamsi moi kg da lupa kunmanga industry amada phajana madu sudu oga isi taktoga tui amna low cost lupa kunmanga da bexi phajare haitare tuna replacement namagi wakalchu koi society da lakba hore da sum masi jo koi mayam punna mateng pangminar kanda koi green city ama oilasi.
The second session of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly will be held on July 25th. Press release from the Manipur Legislative Assembly signed by Governor La Ganeshan informed. The press release said the assembly session will start from 11 a.m. of July 25th at the Assembly Hall. Excise Department today destroyed seized liquor worth around rupees 23,26,444, which included more than 3,000 litres of Indian-made foreign liquor, 256 litres of beer, 4,427 litres of distilled indigenous country liquor at the excise headquarters in Lampel. Speaking on the sideline, Superintendent of Excise Department D.H. Bruce Lee said that the items destroyed today included liquor seized by the Excise Department and those handed over to them by State Security Force before May this year. It was carried out to clear some space of the congested Malkhana of the Excise Department under Section 69 of the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1999 on getting permission from Commissioner of Excise Department. Superintendent Bruce Lee also drew the attention of government on the manpower crunch that the department is facing. He urged government to enhance the manpower of excise.
Maruina aina haningbadi sigise akhoi excise ki manpower je yamna swat pa haitare habdi sanction post akhoi 700 something leibisda huji only around 100 ka 10-20 taneba aduna si akhoi da khara yam waba duty di phasan tawraga aduga suba ngamdaba haitare full manpower si leragadi yamna akhoi excise da yamna kana yam kari haine yam revenue nung da ka ba khotpa aduga yamna lakadaba department di oiba maru na manpower wat pa je si da akhoi da kitang problem am oi aduna yaragadi government na jo ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ at least 50% ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒꯦ.
Non-local staged protest demonstration today condemning the gunning down of Sailendra Shah, a non-Manipuri, by unidentified gunmen at Uchol, Chongjin. The sit-in was staged at Telipati in Imphal. Elder brother of the deceased, Teslal Shah, who took part in the protest, demanded whomsoever involved in killing Sailendra from prompt clarification for committing the crime. He also told media that late Sailendra Shah earned his livelihood by selling commodities. He also ruled out money-related issue behind his brother's death. Teslal Shah also appealed to Manipur government to extend all possible help to bereaved family members of his brother. Protesters during the sit-in chanted slogans against intimidation of general public. Unidentified gunmen riding a heavy-duty bike shot dead Sailendra Shah while he was returning home last evening at around 4, after delivering bakery items to shops situated in and around Andro area.
Kari maramda mukhoina kapbase hoina gyan tade magi hachang da su paisa do yame lising marfu ga chahum tara lere magi khauda sana se magi lik do asida sanagi amado palega lere gadi su lere loina puchei lere okhoina insaf pame thabak suba manipur da lakpane myam na okhoina thabak surega okhoina angang macha magi se macha chahi ama manga gi lere ama do taru gi lere ama taret gi lere mag mukhoina nupi angang kana engani mukhoina duguma kapega chale di okhoina karmai hingani okhoida di bichar tobio.
Border Trade and Chamber of Commerce more extended monetary aid of rupees 25,000 each to family members of slain Tamil auto rickshaw drivers P. Mohan and Murugan Ayanar. Border Trade and Chamber of Commerce More conveyed another meeting today at Tamil Sangam Hall, wherein its members expressed concern over their safety. The meet resolved to every member installing CCTV cameras at their shops and every member putting registered number plate on their vehicles at the soonest. Speaking on the sideline, Border Trade and Chamber of Commerce President V. Shekhar has condemned the killing of 2 auto rickshaw drivers in Tamil. He demanded government of Myanmar and India investigating the incident.
अखोई इंडिया का म्यांमार का डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशन तंबदु मोइना तोंगांगनी अखोई मोरे मीना पब्लिक टू पब्लिक तमु की मी का अखोई का पब्लिक टू पब्लिक रिलेशन तो मोर देन 50 इयर्स होइरे अखोइना तमगा लागपनी अदो बुजी गुजी असिगुंबा घटना होइबदा अखोई सो याम वाकंग दु नुंगाइद्रे असिगुंबा घटना तो पदो मोरे की नते म्यांमार का इंडिया की बिजनेस शोकुनी रिलेशन जो शोकुनी यारदी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट का म्यांमार गवर्नमेंट का अजुगुंबा घटना तो गुंबा तो बदी याम फगनिया यरगा आइना है बदी.
As news emerges on Myanmar authority disposing the dead bodies of 2 Tamil auto drivers who were shot in Tamil few days back, questions have started to arise whether the disposed bodies were truly that of the 2 Tamils, and if so, why the Myanmar authorities failed to consult the Indian government before disposing of the bodies. Are the Myanmar authority trying to hide anything by doing so? Deputy Minister of Myanmar Military Council Information Major General Jo Min Toon recently declared in a Myanmar-based TV news channel that he received a news on July 5th regarding 2 unidentified gunmen killing 2 persons believed to be Hindus, and Tammu Town Police Force took the 2 dead bodies to Tammu General Hospital. And on the following day, the 2 bodies were disposed of as nobody came forward to identify and claim the bodies. Meanwhile, in Myanmar, blame game has started between pro-junta and anti-junta militias. Pro-junta claimed that the killing was carried out by Tamil People's Defence Force (PDF), while PDF refuted and said that the 2 Tamil men were killed by junta-aligned Piyusho T militia. Community leaders in More convened a meeting at the conference hall of the Tamil Sangam in More to discuss the prevailing scenario in border town More on the backdrop of getting reports that Myanmar authorities had already disposed the bodies of the 2 Tamils. Yesterday's meet discussed families of the 2 Tamils conducting final rites of late P. Mohan and late Murugan Ayanar. Further, the meeting resolved to submitting a memorandum to the Chief Minister for ex gratia to families of the two deceased and providing a government jobs to the next of kin of the two deceased, strictly abiding by the order of Technopole District Deputy Commissioner on not entering Myanmar illegally and reopening of shops and hotels in Moreh Town. Representatives of Border Trade and Chamber of Commerce also observed a 2-minute silence at the Tamil Sangam Hall as a mark of respect to P. Mohan and Murugan Ayanar. The last day of Rath Yatra or Kanglen is celebrated with religious fervour in the valley of Manipur today. Kanglen was celebrated at the Sri Sri Govindaji temple in Imphal. Large number of devotees came at the Sri Sri Govindaji temple to offer assorted fruits and sweets as to offer prayers. Main highlights of the festival was large number of devotees and priests of royal palace pulling the large decorated chariot carrying the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra across the road. The decorated chariot was pulled till the city convention centre and palace compound, Imphal, and returned back at the Sri Sri Govindaji temple. Young and old took part in the celebration. Rath Yatra festival was held with an objective to bring peace and abundance in the land. ISKCON temple in Ghari, Imphal also celebrated the Rath Yatra. The decorated chariot carrying the idols of Lord Jagannath, Baladeva and Subhadra was pulled along the Tidim Road this morning. PWD Minister Govindas THANGJAM took part in the celebration. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Govindas appealed to the masses to maintain COVID-19 protocols. He greeted the people of Manipur with love and peaceful coexistence among all communities in the state on the occasion of Kanglen. Large number of people came to offer prayers at the ISKCON temple. Team of state police personnel were seen deployed near the temple to prevent any untoward incident during the festival. It may be mentioned that many devotees who took part in pulling the chariot were seen without wearing face masks despite of increasing new cases of COVID-19. And a large number of people took part in the Rath Yatra festival, which started on July 1st.
Kanglup masay nungsinana apunba Manipurama, Singtapa Manipurama, Saukutpada Mangjin Thava Manipurama, Ohen Virasuno Hadana ina, Bhagavan Zagnata ina, Kurumjari Amaso Manipurgi Praja Singsu, Akoi Nungsinava, Sahi Sakaya, Yamamang the Akoi Nungsina, Danula Ava, Akoi Nungsinavagi Marise, Akoi Tadok Navaya, Port Oide, Adana Amaga Nungsinava, Akoi Punna Lamdam Sigi Masani, Laibak Harki Masani, Hai Bagi Wakalonda, Manipurbu. Tongan baste segi saukut bagi lamje nasida yaun na bukona bada saruk yamina se hai bagi apil se mai mayam thamjan.
Manipur added 23 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. There is no death case, as per the latest report from State Health Department and COVID-19 Common Control Room. Coronavirus has claimed 2,120 lives in the state so far. Active and recovered cases have not been updated till the time of filing this report. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring in updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Admission open. Enlightened Knowledge EK Higher Secondary School da Class 11 Science amadi Arts da ming channabagi admission hauzare. Admission form July 13 tagi hauzarakani. COVID positivity rate wangkhalakpana maram oiraga entrance test pangthok chararoi. Handak pangthokiba Higher Secondary Examination 2022 da first position dagi 10th position fawba puthokraba school ni CBSE students singi seat khara khaktamak reserve tawzagani.
Welcome to Heritage Convent Higher Secondary Section. Affiliated to COSIM, Heritage is entrusted with competent and dynamic teachers, maximum choice of elective subjects, prestigious scholarship. We provide the best infrastructure, digital board in every classroom, well-equipped lab, Heritage customized tablet, PowerPoint-assisted lectures, regular snap tests, special doubt-clearing sessions, e-resources through school apps, science demonstrations, debate, quiz, music, dance, and many more. So, come and be a part of Heritage. For more information, log on to www.heritageconvent.com.
Khanganjaba, Panthavi Housing Finance Company Limited amasung sister company singi maikai degi khangalakli madidi company sing asidegi loan lawkraga defaulter oina lairiba loan member singna lakliba July gi tang tarak manga Englishing aniga kunithoi faubgi manungda isa isa gi loan due sing adu singdok pigadabani hayengmak head office amasung branch office singda lakpiraga due amount sing adu singdok piu thausa bidrabadi isa isa gi property sing Sarfasi Act 2002 gi makhada auction tok charagani hana shu auction tauba yaukrabani khanghanjariba Panthavi Housing Finance Company Limited amasung sister company sing uripok toramam lekai Imphal.
Admission open. Manipur Education Mission Higher Secondary School ki academic session 2022-23 ki class 11 science ki admission process hauzari. HSLC amasung CBSE satra singi oina direct admission ki khudong chaba pizari. Class 10 exam da 60% and above phangba satra singi oina 100% free admission, free uniform, textbook amasung free monthly fee oigani. Below 60% phangba satra singi oina free admission amadi textbook pizagani. G NEET thaning ba satra singi damak school asina integrated program kaya amasu paikhatjari. Akupa marol gidamag Ghari Airport Road Imphal da leiba Manipur Education Mission the School ki office arda lapiyo.
HK Jewels Private Limited, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chahi tara taret hena miyamgi sevada lichiraklaba 100% International Gemological Institute na certified tauraba Kisna Diamond Jewelry. India khakta natana country marifu mangada Kisna Diamond Jewelry gi ningthiraba jewelry items sing mayamna pamna sizinari. Adomsu amuktang lengshin biraktuna adomgi apamba Diamond Jewelry khanbiyu. Outlet address VCH Ventures, Uripok, HDFC Bank Building, 2nd floor.
The pinnacles of success. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNACO School, Excellence in Education.
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imphal da nauna hangdok jare, hairiba asida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlam sing mafam asida phangbigani ngasi maglangsing birau Tilak Ras Enterprises, Presto, Thangal Bazar near Kasturi Tong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. India added 18,814 new COVID-19 cases, 16,104 recoveries and 43 deaths in last 24 hours. As per the latest report of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 active caseload stands at 1,25,028. Total recoveries are 4,29,53,980. Recovery rate stands at 98.51%. Death toll reaches 5,25,386. Over 198 crore 65 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in India so far. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 55 crore 98 lakh 83,000 people. It has claimed above 63 lakh 71,000 people and recoveries are above 53 crore 28 lakh 69,000. USA has the highest active cases of above 35 lakh 11,000 in the world. As the world focuses on connectivity with the ever-rising population and rapidly expanding human settlements, construction of more and more roads and other infrastructure meant for transportation have intensified in the past 2 to 3 decades. And this has had a huge impact on the environment as most of the materials for construction of new road infrastructure and repairing of the old ones required large quantities of soil and stones either quarried from rivers and hills, thereby causing irreversible harm to the environment. This calls for new techniques which are less detrimental to art and its environment. Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchand brings you an exclusive report on this regard.
With increasing population and the expansion of its settlement, more roads have been constructed by flattening hills and by quarrying rocks and soils from the hills to improve connectivity. But continuous dependence on the environment for acquiring materials for construction have caused much destruction to nature and its surroundings. We are not sure how long can the earth sustain such high demands for these construction materials. This is just the opposite of other initiatives taken up by government to save environment through preserving of forest, hills, rivers, etc.
Environment की major impact से road construction industry जो अमने न लोगी the sigi maram si कोई की aggregates the sorok semada कोई nung लेंगोई चंगी लेबाक चंगी असै मुना हैबी रिपर minor minerals हाई तारे मसी लौथोक पसिना मरम ओरकांदा environment am chawa impact ma pi
कोई मेगा रोड प्रोजेक्ट हाई तारे को मैम लाखरे अदुना लंबी सेम मतमदा कोई environment सी किदंग काहेंदना हाई तारे को मसी खंजी ngak पसी मरु ओइना खंजई मरमदी कोई लंबी सेम मतमदा कोई ngसागी चिंगदा दगे कोई उमंग द टारगेट तौबा दगे कोई चिंगदगी लेबाक लौथोकपा सी खदना तना कोई चिंगद लेबा कोई नुंग जाव हाई तारे को मसी सो कोई बॉम्ब से ब्लास्टिंग तौगा एक अनरेगुलेटेड ओइना मसी यंगजनदना एक लौथोकपगी कनो से ले अदगे अमना कोई पार्ट लेरस पार्ट से फुंजन बा हाई तारे को अदुना से खुदम ओइना इम्फाल टाउन रिंग रोड एना लाकदोरी कोई एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक फंड तौगा मसी दा कोई खुराई कोनसम लेकाय दा कोई इपुम पार्ट एना लेनु को सी जे फुनबगी प्लान तौसे असिन मरम ओरगा कोई पार्ट अदि इसिंग कनसेना हाइबगी कनो से मदि पानम सी जो खतंग नाथैनरगरा हाइबगी कोई चिंगनब ले.
At present, the state government has not allowed quarrying of soil, stones and sand for road construction from any random site. It is important that authorities concerned designate a particular location from where construction materials could be excavated. On the other hand, excavation work on the hills of Manipur, particularly in valley areas, is still carrying out daily, and as such, the government needs to monitor the situation.
लंबी ठोंग सेमे भी ओरे तक नहीं डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस में की रंग तक लाई मुंग ने को तो भी मुक्सा इनी जगह दी कोट या भी आया वो पीपल लेती हम से ना करते मसी प्रॉपर्ली एनवायरमेंटल इंपैक्ट्स में नमा आईडी स्टडी में तौर कान मदर बेस तौर कान एनवायरमेंटल क्लास पीपल प्रोसेस में से मतलब मसी तौने बिंदा कोई ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्वे रिपोर्ट है ना कोई डिसीसिंग की खुदांग दा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्वे रिपोर्ट में कोई साबिरागा डिस्ट्रिक्ट की थ्रू द मतलब डिक्लेरेशन तो हम से विद इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एरिया भी मनंदा करम जगह लेंगे कोथोपे करम जगह नुंग लोथोपे करम जगह लेबा लोथोपे है प्रॉपर आइडेंटिफिकेशन तो एरिया में एलोटेड तौर लेगदबनी हम से हाइबा एलोट तौर जगह मधु खतन जगह जो लोग है डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्वे रिपोर्ट से कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट 10 निपान किलो सेम लोइखै 13 किलो सेम लोइखै सेम लोइखै मतुंगदा हुजिकसे मधुगी मतुंगिना कोई इन्वायरमेंटल क्लेंस पिननाबा प्रपोजल मयामगी प्रपोजल से 1 by 1 मूव तो होरी है
It is important to take up road construction work in the state by implementing new norms in view of the global climate change and its impact. State Public Works Department has planned to build roads abiding by new climate resilient norms. Relevant authorities should work towards promptly putting these into action. As long as the human society exists, construction and restoration of roads and other infrastructural development activities will never end. However, it is necessary to take measures to protect and conserve the environment at the same time.
Technology anubal लाइबा टेक्नोलॉजी अदगी कोई अनोमल नॉलेज मैम सिनरकांदा यारिगे कोई मसिक इम्पैक्ट से हन्नब होनर ए हाइतारे लेजरीबा हानगी लेबाक्तुमक सिजिनरगा मदो केमिकल एड तौरकांदा कोई मदुगी लेबाक्तुना अदुम सिजिनबा अदु ओइतादे कोई चिंगदगी लेबाक्तो अमुहन पुनर रोय हाइतारे मदुगी टेक्नोलॉजी कोई हजिक नौने सेमगद कोई इम्फाल रिंग रोड ता मसी कोई सिनगदोरी 40% रोड लेंडर कोई मसी एज अ इनोवेटिव आइडिया ओने कोई ट्राई तौनी मसीगी पोटसी समाय तौदना अदो अल्टरनेटिव इज कोई सीमेंट ट्रीटेड बेस कोई नुंग सिदा नतका सोल जिदा कोई सीमेंट से हाप कांदा सीमेंट का पुन्ना तोसन मिनरगा तौबा हाइतारे सोरोके सुम दका लेमनु सुम थोंगल आगा सुम सारगदी युम सिंगे सुम मखा ले होतामनी आई सामकी युम यावी हाइतारे तसेंबगी सी अप्रोच सी लाइरब लेबाक सिंग द तौबी हाइतारे अनोबा लेबाक सिंग द दी हजिक ला इसी मथक थोंगब मुहूर्त मखाद तौथरगा हानगी लेरमीबा मागी डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ पेमेंट कोई पेमेंट की तोंगान तोंगानबा मागी लेयर्स सिंदु कोई रिकंस्ट्रक्शन तौरगना मागी दरकार लेबा स्ट्रेंथ तो फंगलगा कोई वांखलक्तनबो होनै अर्बन एरिया दा इम्फाल मनुगी सिटी रोड सिंगी दा सुमाने सुम तौरगदी हानगी लेरमीबा building structure mayam se leader ne manung dole le horakanda ising changa ising thumbagi potche lere haitare we are approaching new technologies we are going to adopt new technologies pilot project oina as a capacity building of the PW engineers masi koi sinna bo khotnari the masi tawr agadi this will be a big change koi road construction technology da the public da su masi change se koi mathang sahi ba manung di urani na mayam da thamjage.
This is Ketrimayum Premchand reporting for Impact News Imphal.
Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren greeted then people of Manipur, especially to Meitei Muslim community on the occasion of Eid-ul-Zuha festival. Chief Minister on his message said the festival symbolizes sacrifice, instilling the feelings of sharing and charity among people and also strengthen the sense of unity and brotherhood among different communities living in the state. Mahot Minister Waikem Chan and Kritigrao MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan conveyed greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly to the Muslim community, on the occasion of Eid-ul-Zuha. Urea fertilizers were distributed to farmers of Patsoi constituency today. Intending candidate for Takil Zilla Parishad Loitongbam Polin Meitei distributed subsidized urea fertilizers at the doorsteps of farmers under the overall supervision of Patsoi MLA Sapam Keba. Gurukulla Cultural Academy condoled the sudden demise of its founder, Guru Taurem Yashkul, who was also a recipient of Guru National Award. Members of Gurukulla Cultural Academy observed a 1-minute silence during a condolence meet held at Academy premises in Kurai Kongpal Sajor Leikai as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Several saplings were planted in the surrounding locations of THANGJAM Maning Leikai, Kangla Acupressure, Alternative Therapy Treatment Research and Training Center, Langjing Achauba and Young Illiterate Guidance Program YIGP Club THANGJAM Maning Leikai jointly organized a plantation program with the support of Imphal Forest Division, Mantri Pukri. For the first time in Northeast India, an exclusive showroom of spacious fabric of happy homes situated along the Airport Road, Imphal was launched today. Nauriya Pakhanglakpa MLA SKB inaugurated a new showroom under the aegis of Wellspun Mother Company. Spacious fabric of happy homes was opened at Imphal with the support of Loyalam Venture Private Limited.
Showroom gumba akoigi macha macha haitare sumba hanga akanda youth singsi thaba inghang akoigi angamba pidana ngasi sigi miyeng makhasida tawrokpa dukimatik ehakna sinbiriba duga langbiriba kwaipunamak ehakna yam thagatjai.
The main motto of launching this brand is we have so many brands but premium product is not available in surrounding this city, so I hope public will like this brand.
Ziribam MLA Muhammad Asapuddin today inaugurated the currency chest of Punjab National Bank Ziribam branch at Ziribam's Babupura. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Asapuddin said banking services have improved in Ziribam with the coming of many banks in the district. He appealed to the banks to open more branches and ATM booths in the far-flung areas of Ziribam in order to cater to the needs of rural customers. He also urged every loanee to adhere to financial discipline and pay back the loans in time.
Ziribam City sector pura waktu itu fotoregal lagi, bagaimana? Aduh, kara na kau mayam na honam ini naga, kara tengok resu, sakit pergi lambi dah kau mang thari sih, apa bos step ni lagi. Aina benga sida, kami berdiri di sini dah. Kau ki benga kara apa? Ya ada udah mati ikan deko. Aduh as per government and banks rule and regulation ki makha de pole. Aduh aina haining berdiri. Ya na sincerely thabuk tahu meeting. Kau ki any business sector dah thabuk tahu meeting dah kera support tahu. Every Prajasim Desu, Sigi Nasigi, Mifum Sigi Kutanga in Hygienibody. I remember assistance is lower Taubiranu, Matamcha, Singbagi, Hinabimo Taubiro. I do not regard the financial institution.
And now the sports news. In Wimbledon, the final match of the women's singles is underway between Elena Rybakina of Kazakhstan and Ons Jabeur of Tunisia. In the men's singles final, Novak Djokovic and Nick Kyrgios will lock horns tomorrow. The final match will start at 6:30 p.m. at the center court. Earlier, Novak Djokovic defeated C. Nori by 2-6, 6-3, 6-2, 6-4 in the semi-final match. On the other hand, Nick entered the final following Rafael Nadal's withdrawal from the semi-final match. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Minister Yumnam Khemchand says the effort to achieve green Manipur will make progress if plastic bags could be replaced by more eco-friendly cloth bag. Excise Department destroys seized liquor worth more than rupees 23,26,000. Excise Department SP urges Manipur government to enhance the manpower of excise. Manipur adds 23 new confirmed cases of COVID-19. No COVID-19 fatality in the past 24 hours. And India adds 18,840 new COVID-19 cases, 16,104 recoveries and 43 deaths in last 24 hours. And that's all we have in this edition of the English Primetime Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Till then, good night, stay indoors and stay safe.
Tenura Microfilm Manipur Field Official Kauri Qualification 10+2 and above Oibaga